Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on navigating the admin and user dashboards. This dashboard is designed for efficient ticket management. Here, administrators can easily view the top 10 open tickets, as well as those that are on hold and resolved. By clicking the View button, admins can access a detailed overview of each ticket, which includes key details such as status, priority, requester, creation date, and SLA information. Next, the Assignee button allows admins to view the name of the assigned technician, if applicable. In the Comments section, admins can add notes or remarks pertinent to the ticket, facilitating better communication with the technical team. Additionally, the Attachments section permits the upload of any relevant files associated with the ticket. The History tab provides a comprehensive timeline that tracks the ticket's progress from start to finish. Furthermore, the Approver and Controller tab displays the names of any approvers or controllers linked to the ticket. The Update Status button enables admins to mark a ticket as on hold or resolved, along with the option to add remarks. Lastly, if necessary, the Add Approver feature allows for the inclusion of additional approvers, accompanied by remarks. Now for User Dashboard Overview, let's log in as normal user and see. The user dashboard presents a slightly different interface, tailored to the user's experience. Users can view their top 10 tickets categorized into Open, On Hold, and Resolved tabs. While the detailed view features for Assignee, Comments, Attachments, History, and approver/controller names remain consistent with the admin dashboard, users have additional functionality. Users will find a refresh or cancel button for their tickets, rather than an update status option. Importantly, once a ticket is resolved, users will have the ability to reopen the ticket within the first 3 days. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content.